Hello everybody, it's that techie guy here. Today we are taking a look at the Spigen Apple Watch stand. This is a Bondi Blue iMac version of this Apple Watch charger. We're gonna open it up and check it out here. Let's pop these little tabs open. And let's pull this guy out. I'm very excited about this. Let's pull this guy out. Wow, this looks just like it. The attention to detail is kind of crazy. Just like the iMacs do. It's all silicone. I like it. So here I have my charger. I'll just go ahead and install it here for you guys. And you can take this, and then I guess you could put it in here however much you need it to be. I need it all the way through. There we go. You just have to really push it in there. Let's go ahead and pop the cover back on. And you know, I'm a big fan of Spigen. I use them all the time. I use them for pretty much every phone case I think I've ever gotten has been a Spigen case. Big fan of this company. There we go.
I'm going to link this Apple Watch charger down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this Apple Watch charger in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.